Greetings from West Bengal. I'm Dr. Binita Dotto, Assistant Professor in the Department of Chemistry, Banwarilal Bhalotia College, Asansol in West Bengal. Before joining my college 3 years ago, I completed my master's from IIT Roorkee, PhD in radioanalytical chemistry from Shaha Institute of Nuclear Physics, and postdoctorate degree from Central Power Research Institute, Ministry of Power, Bangalore. I express my humble gratitude and thanks to the respected organizers for selecting me as a participant in this online refresher course in chemistry organized from 28th September to 11th October 2020 by UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. Talking about this program, the elaborate discussions during live sessions and thorough explanations shared via YouTube videos in this Google Classroom surely enlightened and updated us in various frontier research topics in chemistry. I express my respect to all the teachers here. Dr. Naveen Chandraji Shimpi for teaching us advanced techniques involved in nanotechnology for determining macroscopic structure of nanomaterials and their applications, and Dr. Jignesh Valand for explaining the excellent catalytic properties of nanomaterials so elaborately. I've thoroughly enjoyed the introductory session on the nanostructured materials by Dr. Indrani Banerjee. Thank you, ma'am, for teaching us so nicely. Your work on mask based on graphene against bacterial and virus infectious disease is truly excellent. The lectures on material chemistry, kindly shared by Dr. Pankaj Poddar, were quite interesting. Bacteria, chemical communication, and nanoparticles taught by Professor Alan Deco was something new for me. The application-oriented lecture by Professor Vivek Polshechivar on use of nanomaterials for energy, environment, and health was an excellent one. The collection of lectures on atomic force microscopy were also quite informative. The symmetry and group theory taught by Dr. Chetan K. Modi was lucid and informative as well. I thank you, sir, for your excellent teaching and excellent free access study materials you have kindly shared with us. The problem solving approaches of designing organic synthesis taught by Dr. Pradeep T. Deota were enlightening and were doubt clearing sessions for me. The presentation on novel functional organic nanomaterials for application in organic electronics, especially the OLED applications in the optoelectronics, covered by Dr. Rajesh M. Kamble, was truly enlightening and informative for me. Thank you, sir. The principles and application of green chemistry in organic synthesis taught by Dr. Dilip V. Vashava was an excellent presentation. The future prospects and needs of environmentally benign solvents were amazingly covered by Dr. Ramesh L. Garadas. Thank you, sir. And I also want to thank Dr. Pranav S. Srivastav for his really nice and informative lecture on hyphenation techniques, the liquid chromatography and the mass spectrometry. Another really important lecture series I enjoyed very much was on the present adaptation of laboratories for better outputs. I'm talking about the green and bioanalytical chemistry laboratories, and I really like the nice discussions on their sustainability and future perspectives kindly shared by Mr. Manish H. Yadav sir. Apart from the subject related topics, The innovative teaching learning techniques, starting from elaborative discussion on ICT initiatives in India, covered by Dr. Atul Patel in light of this worldwide COVID-19 pandemic situation, is very much relevant for the present days, or the research and research processes and digital portfolio taught by respected Dr. Jagdish S. Joshi. And last but not the least, the discussion on blended and flipped learning was nicely presented by Dr. Neha Arun Haryani, and it was quite informative session for me. This program helped me in better understanding in chemistry related topics and enlightened me about the innovative teaching research methods which I'm going to adapt in future for teaching my students in my college in a better and more effective way. I express my thanks and regards to all the teachers of this refreshers course who have contributed their valuable time and effort for us. I thank you all. I now express my humble regards to the respected director, UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, the office staffs, the respected coordinator of this course, Dr. Jagdish S. Joshi, and his whole organizing team of this online refresher course for so beautifully organizing this course and bring the excellent faculties and international standard classroom which we have availed from the comfort of our homes by this online classroom system. I understand it needs great and multitasking effort by you and team to make this program to this excellent standard. I'm really honored to be a part of this program. Thank you all.